Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I haven't filmed a video in ages, and since then I gave birth to a gorgeous baby boy, and I've just been taking time off to enjoy this newborn phase and just spend time with him and my family. As you can see, I took out my hair extensions after he was born, and it's so weird to be without my extensions. I got really used to them, and it's actually nice not to have to spend too much time washing my hair, drying it and all those things, but I do miss it sometimes. So I was really glad when GooGooHair reached out to me and they sent me one of their hair extensions. I tried one of the extensions before and I was extremely happy with the quality of it, and I'm very excited to try this one because I really want to have something like this that I can use if I go out somewhere nice and I want to have my long hair back. Okay, so let's open the package. It's 100% human hair, which is why I love it. The quality is amazing, so much nicer than my own hair. It comes with this little leaflet. It shows you all the different type of hair extensions they have as well. So they have tape-in extensions, clip-in extensions, wire hair extensions, PU clip-in extensions, which I'm not sure what that is. It also shows you how to look after the extensions, how to wash them, how to style it. It also comes with this hair clip that you can use to section your hair. Oh my god, the quality of this hair. I wish you guys could feel it. It's amazing. This is definitely 100% human hair and it's such good quality. It's so soft. I just love touching it. The hair is quite straight, it's only a bit curly at the bottom, which I actually really like. It has 7 pieces, so 2 with 4, 1 with 5 clips, 2 and 2 with 1. And I'm going to use the smaller pieces at the end. So let me show you how I put the extensions in. Everything feels so abstract. So I'm going to put the smaller pieces up here, a number 4 on one side, number 4 on the other side, and then the biggest piece, the 5-piece one, I'm just going to put it kind of in the back all around, but a bit lower. So this will be the 4-piece one. I am actually so bad at putting these extensions in, or any extensions, and also sectioning it correctly. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. And now for the last section, this will be the first one that I put in with the 5 clips, and I'm going to go all around because this is much bigger than the other ones. It's complicated what you say. So I'm going to open all the clips, and I will start with the middle one and put it literally in the middle of my head. It's complicated what you say, the way you act. Well, it makes me... I'm going to unclip this. I will see at the end how the color blends in. I'm actually so nervous. I really want it to match my hair color and look good. It is so nice that you can get long hair in a few minutes if you're going somewhere nice. I always like to start with the middle one and clip those ones in first. Here I can tell the color difference. This is a bit more golden blonde, but oh my god, I'm loving the length and the quality of it. It looks super shiny on camera. Actually, not like that in real life. Now I'm going to add the last 4-piece one. So confused, I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just... Now I'm going to add a 1-piece just here right in the front. Same on the other side. Make up your mind. I have a 2-piece one. I'm going to clip it in a bit more towards the back. And this is the last piece. As you can see, that really didn't take me a long time to do. And I am all done. Let's see how the color is going to match my hair. I actually thought it's going to look very different. I'm just going to quickly brush it out. Make sure it blends in nicely. Only been a few days, but I really missed having long hair. And this is actually so much longer than the hair extensions I had. These extensions are just perfection. I think that blends in really nicely. I am so happy with it. I'm obsessed with these extensions. Just cannot stop touching it. It feels so nice and soft. Let me show you how long it is. I actually have to move back so much. It's super long. I think it looks amazing. And I'm just going to show you in the back as well, so you can see how much hair it actually is. How can you be up when I'm done? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but What I love the most about these extensions is how quick it is to put them in, and also the fact that they don't damage your hair. What I want to try out next from their website is one of their one-piece hair extensions, which is even quicker to put in if you are in a rush, and it's something that you can use every day as well, just because it's so easy to put it in. They have two different services that can help you find the perfect shade for your hair. There is a color match service that you can do by yourself, and there's also another one where they can help you find the perfect color. So with this service, you just have to take a picture of your hair in natural daylight and send it to them, and then they're going to tell you which color to choose. As you can see, my hair is not exactly the same as this one, but it just blends in so nicely because it has a mix of colors and they're all very light blonde. The name of the shade that I chose is Light Blonde Highlights, and this is a 22-inch hair extension, which is really long. So if you are looking for something for everyday use, you can go for an 18-inch or 20, but this is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something quite long. I don't want too much volume, I just prefer to have the length, and I am super happy with this extension. I'm going to leave the discount code in the description box together with their website and their Instagram page if you guys want to check it out. If you want to buy anything from them, now is the perfect time with their Black Friday sales on, and you can always reach out to them for some help in choosing the right extensions for you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.